Welcome back to Hammock Radio. I'm Jason, Kilo 8 Tango Sugar Golf, and I'm going to do a little quick video of my favorite little battery pack. So this is the OmniCharge 20 Plus. It's a 71 watt hour or 3200 milliamp hour at 22.2 volts battery pack. This has two 5 volt 3 amp USB A's on the front. It has a 120 volt AC on the side. There's a model that doesn't have this, it just has another USB-C. This one also has USB-C power delivery and a DC barrel jack. This is both input and output. So sometimes what I do when I'm using my 705 in the field is I bring this battery pack with me instead of all my big solar stuff. And what I can do is use the USB-C jack right here with the USB-C power delivery or USB-C PD to barrel plug, and it'll automatically output the voltage I need for the 705. It's pretty cool. But you can also set the DC barrel here to do whatever output you want to a DC device. So what you can do is go in the menu and change it to different voltages. I think it goes from like 12 volts up to 20 volts or something like that. I'll show you in a minute. So what I'll do is turn on, you double tap power, and you get DC out. You select that, you can select 15 volt 5 amp, 16.5, 12, or 20, all at 5 amps. So what I do is I select 15 and say yes, and now the DC lights up and the DC plug is active. So I can plug that directly from the DC on the side to my 705 DC jack. And the 705 is 13.8 volts plus or minus 15%, which is about 15.8 volts at the max. So that's 15 volts on here is perfect. You could do 12 volts if you wanted to and it'd still work. The DC does not turn on by default, so keep that in mind. If you get one of these, you have to go into the menu and select which DC output voltage you want, and then it becomes active. But like I said, half the time I just use the USB-C power delivery cable to DC, and that does everything I need automatically. I'll put a link down below where you can find one on Amazon. And they'll also charge the internal battery if you have that in the 705 too. And this also has a wireless charger on top. So while I'm operating, I put my phone on top, and then you can turn on USB or AC. You can turn them off and on. So pretty cool. These run for about 250 bucks from their website. You can probably find them cheaper somewhere else, but I've had this one for a while and it works great. So highly recommend OmniCharge 20 Plus. And even if you get the AC one, you can run your laptop off it while you run your radio and charge your phone. So thank you, 7-3.